From rusted wreckage to showroom quality, the transformation of this 320D excavator highlights the incredible skill involved in its restoration.
The fire must have reached temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees here at the boom. I agree, the warping confirms it. We'll need to include thermal stress analysis in the report. Look at the melt pattern here on the engine compartment.
So it's like T-derps. Yeah, the heat must have been intense near the cabin.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised.
Yes, the laser scan confirms severe warping on the boom.
Easy now, keep it steady. Chains are holding tension. Looking good. Roger, coming up slowly. Check the boom connections again, B. Looks solid, eh? We are clear for the lift. Keep going, just a few more clicks on that binder. Okay, that's tight. Check the rear connections now. Hold the tension on that line. Easy now. Bringing it down slow. Watch your footing back there. All right, she's clear of the trailer. Guide it to bay 3. Set her down gently.
The cool overhead lighting reveals the deep corrosion and cracked welds on this 2008 model. The deformation on the boom exceeds tolerance levels. Yes, the heat exposure rendered the steel useless. We must advise a full replacement of this section.
I can't get this valve loose.
Hold on, let me get a bigger lever.
Careful with the cylinder.
look at the state of these pistons.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need the heavy hoist for this cylinder head.
The laser scan confirms the geometry is within tolerance.
And the caliper reading here matches the spec sheet.
Did you check the internal wear rings on this one?
Yes, they're fully replaced and ready for reassembly. Check the pressure on line 3. Reading 50 bar, steady. All right, tighten the main valve connection.
All readings are within spec, and the synchronization is holding steady. Alignment confirmed. The hydraulics are fully restored. Keep coming down easy, we're almost aligned.
Right.
Okay, hold it right there.
Ensure the glass seal is perfectly aligned before locking. Dashboard secured. Handing off the joystick controls now. Received. Preparing the seat mounts.
The hydraulic test confirms controlled pressure across the system, ensuring the synchronized movement of the boom and stick.
Run the boom cycle again, slower this time. Copy that. pressure's holding steady. Yeah, looks good from here. Movement is smooth.
We have confirmation on the laser alignment. How are the pressure sensors looking?
All green, well within the 2008 specifications.
Check the hydraulic pressure on the boom.
Reads nominal. Decals are aligned perfectly.
Bucket wear is minimal, well within spec. System stability confirmed across the board.
Excellent. The restoration is complete.
The restored 320D lifts the heavy load with flawless precision, a true testament to the team's meticulous work. Pressure looks good on the main lift. Engine temperature is well within limits. Cycle complete.
Torque set to factory specification.
Verified and recorded.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi. Swing bearing temperature is well within tolerance. Flawless rotation.
The decal alignment looks spot on here. Yeah, paint finish is flawless across the boom. Let's sign off on the hydraulics.
Alignment on the boom looks good.
Rake and angle are within tolerance according to the laser.
The inspection is complete. It looks flawless. Confirmed. Ready for release.
The hydraulics are perfect.
Absolutely flawless. The paintwork is stunning.
Check the alignment on the 320D logo.
Looks perfect, right on the mark.
From a burned wreck to factory perfect, this 2008 Caterpillar 320D is finally ready for its reveal. Check the hydraulic pressure on the boom.
Reading nominal.
Torque sequence complete on the tracks.
The hydraulics are responsive and stable.
Final checks on the stress points look good. It's ready.
The pressure readings on the hydraulics are stable.
Confirmed. Engine parameters look good across the board.
Okay, easy on the winch now. We need to keep the tension even. Ready when you are, boss.
From rusted wreckage to showroom quality, the transformation of this 320D excavator highlights the incredible skill involved in its restoration.